Hello viewers, have a good day. Today we will learn how to create flowchart in QGIS. So we have a country shape file as well as selected city shape file, and here we'll do flowchart among the different airport from New Delhi to different cities or metropolitan cities all over the world. For that, creating flow map, we need 4 coordinate, that means x origin and y origin, as well as x destination and y destination. For that, we'll go selected city, right click here, go to open attribute table here. So for that, we click here, simply open field calculator, new window will appear. Simply create a new field here and simply write output field name as x destination, that means DEST in short form, and select here decimal number, and after that in row number you simply click on geometry and search $x. You can easily find out in lower portion. Simply click on here and click OK. You can see the x destination for each cities. So similar way we again calculate the y destination. Simply click here y destination, select decimal number, click on geometry and search $y, then OK. So x destination and y destination already created. Again we need 2 more column, that means x origin and y origin. Simply click here new field, write here x origin, click here decimal number and click on OK, and one more, that means y origin, that means from where the flowchart will start. Simply click on decimal number and OK. So here I want to create flowchart from Delhi, so I select the x and y coordinate of Delhi. So simply select and copy this x destination coordinate, and simply you just click on drop down menu and select x origin and paste here, and within the first inverted comma, okay, first inverted comma, and after that simply click on update all. So all x origin updated. Similarly select y destination, that is y coordinate, copy, drop down menu, select y origin and paste here, and simply click on update all. After that you should click on save edit. So here you can see the name of each individual cities, country, after that flight, that is move from Delhi to other parts of country, as well as you can say the cities, and their x origin, that means x coordinate of Delhi as well as y coordinate of Delhi, and x destination and y destination means the respective x and y coordinate of respective cities. So after that we need one tool. By this we can easily handle the flowchart. The tool name is Shape Tools. So from where we can find this, you can easily click plugin option, manage and install plugin. simply write here shape tools, and you can easily find here. Click here, and after that you can easily find here the install option, and click here and install that plugin. I have already installed it. So after that, processing toolbox, and right here XY2 line, and you can find within shape tools XY2 line. Simply click on here, input layer, selected city, and target CRS as default. You should select starting X, please. X field, that is X origin, that means Delhi X coordinate and Delhi's Y coordinate. Okay, X origin and X Y origin. And after that, ending X field, that means destination X and destination Y. So all field we have selected, and after that you should save this file. So flight line, name this file as. So after that, click on run. So process complete, just click on OK. So you can see the flow chart from Delhi to others major cities all over the world. Click on layer. I want to change the color, so simply click on properties, change the color as you want. So blue, I want to blue, sorry, blue. Then apply. And what kind of, this is the dotted line. So if you want to plain line, simply click on properties and select the line type, simple line, then apply on OK. So after that, if you want to change the destination symbol, select this layer, then go to properties. From here, simply click on drop down menu, select all symbol and drag it in below, select Tokyo Airport, and you can change the color as you want. So I want to green, then apply and OK. You can see all the cities saved. Now changes as airport. So you can see the flight flow map from Delhi to other parts of India. Now if you want to change the thickness according to flight frequency, you can change the thickness of flowchart. So for that, click on here, then go to properties. After that, click on graduated, and from values you should select the flight, that is frequency of flight, that I have already that values. After that, click on size. According to size, I want to create flow map. After that, click on here equal interval. There is 4. I want to 4 class only, or 6, 4 class. If you want to change of color, you can easily change the color, as well as thickness if you want to reduce the thickness. So you can see here. After that, click on apply and OK. So you can see that according to thickness, flow chart of flight you can see here. Thank you for watching.